What if you could get a compact drone with a built-in screen controller, dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, FPV live view, and even follow me mode, without spending a fortune? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the AE22 mini drone, a foldable, beginner-friendly drone that's packed with features usually found on more expensive models. But is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another budget drone with big promises? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the AE22 is its compact, foldable design. When folded, it easily fits into a backpack, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, family trips, and casual aerial photography. The drone comes in stylish silver gray and white color options and features bright LED lights that improve visibility during evening flights. Its lightweight design makes transportation easy, but still feeling solid and durable in hand. One of the most interesting features is the included 4.3-inch screen remote controller. Unlike many budget drones that require your smartphone for FPV viewing, the AE22 lets you see live footage directly on the controller. That means faster setup, no phone battery drain, less connection hassle, more convenient flying experience. For beginners, this is a huge advantage. Let's talk about the camera. The AE22 comes with a dual camera system and an electronically adjustable camera angle. You can tilt the camera remotely to capture different perspectives without manually adjusting the drone. Whether you're recording landscapes, travel videos, outdoor adventures, family gatherings, the adjustable lens gives you more creative control. The drone also supports Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, allowing you to monitor your shots while flying. Keep in mind that the advertised 8K specification often refers to interpolated image output, rather than true professional 8K video recording, so expectations should remain realistic for a budget-class drone. A feature many beginners will appreciate is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. The AE22 uses obstacle detection technology designed to help prevent accidental collisions. For new pilots, this can make learning much less stressful. Combined with optical flow positioning, the drone can maintain a more stable hover and smoother flight performance. This makes taking photos and videos easier, especially when you're still learning flight controls. The AE22 includes several smart flight functions. You get one-key takeoff and landing, follow me mode, gesture photo and video capture, optical flow positioning, headless mode, 360-degree stunt flips, multiple speed settings. These features make the drone fun for both kids and adults. The Follow Me function is especially useful for cycling, hiking, jogging, or outdoor adventures where you want the drone to automatically track your movement. Powering the AE22 is a 3.7-volt, 1,000 milliamp battery. According to the specifications, you can expect around 15 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. The drone offers a control range of approximately 300 meters and can fly up to around 120 meters in altitude. For recreational flying, that's more than enough. For park flights, beach photography, family vacations, outdoor exploration. The brushless motor design also provides smoother operation, improved durability, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. So who should consider buying the AE22? This drone is ideal for first-time drone pilots, kids and teenagers, hobby flyers, travel vloggers on a budget, casual aerial photography enthusiasts. If you're looking for a simple, portable drone that's easy to fly and loaded with beginner-friendly features, the AE22 offers a surprisingly complete package. Pros: foldable and portable design, built-in screen remote controller, dual camera system, adjustable camera angle, follow me mode, obstacle avoidance assistance, optical flow hovering, easy controls for beginners, fun stunt features. Cons: flight time could be longer. Wind performance may be limited due to lightweight design. camera quality won't match premium GPS drones. Obstacle avoidance effectiveness may vary depending on environment.
Overall, the AE22 mini drone delivers an impressive combination of features for a beginner-friendly aerial photography drone. The built-in screen controller, dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, follow me mode, and foldable design make it a strong option for new pilots looking for convenience and fun. While it won't replace professional camera drones, it offers excellent value for casual users who want an enjoyable FPV flying experience without spending a lot of money.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and smart products here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.